Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I haven't posted in quite a long time. It's been about a month, but school gets the best of you. So we're approaching finals and I've just been so busy with just getting all of my work done. I haven't really had time to sit down and film. So I figured I would do a quick get ready with me for work. I do work at Steve Madden for the holiday, and that is what I'm going to be doing, is just getting ready for work. But also kind of showing you my makeup steps and how you can achieve this for Thanksgiving or Christmas. It's kind of just a holiday vibe type of makeup and not over the top. So I'm all cozy in my robe. I got my little Christmas tree here, which I probably should turn on. I'm going to start with priming my face. I am going to be using 2 primers just because it's the winter time and my face is always dry in the wintertime. It's kind of annoying, so I need very hydrated primers and moisturizers to keep it looking glowy. So I'm going to go in with the CoverFX Dewy Skin Primer. Now, I've mentioned this before, a little goes a long way or you're going to look like an oily grease ball. So I just do a little dollop and that's it, because it really does go a long way. I'm actually going to be using one palette today, and it is the Naked Basics palette. You can get this at Ulta, I believe, I think Sephora. Do they still sell this? I don't even know. I hope. If not, that's really sad, because this is honestly a really good palette to travel with, and especially if you like a lot of neutrals, you have every shade to create something, which is why I like it a lot. So I'm going to be using that today, but again, you can use anything in your collection. And I'm going to be going in with, I'm going to zoom you guys in just a little bit. I'm going to go in, what do I want to do? I'm going to go in with the shade Naked 2 right here. It's a nice just transition color. And this is kind of what I do. I haven't worn makeup in a long time. That's also why I haven't filmed a makeup video. But if I'm running errands and I need makeup, I have an interview, I don't want to do too much glam, this is my go-to palette, and this is kind of what I do. So I'm just applying that shade basically all over the lid and into the crease. We just want to give my eyes some color and make them pop, and I feel this is a good way to do that. Literally what we're going to do for most of the eye, and then I'm just going to deepen up the outer V area with a Morphe M513 brush. And also this one that I use, if you're curious, is an E27. I'll have the brushes linked down below too. Okay, and I'm going to go in with the shade Faint. It's a nice chocolate dark brown, and just kind of deepen up this outer part. And then going back with that little flat brush that we used for the setting powder, I'm going to take WOS, it's a nice peachy color, and I'm going to mix it with Foxy, this banana shade color. And put that on the lid. Natural eyes, but I want to have some color, but it kind of just makes your eyes pop a little, and that's literally all I'm doing for my eyes. That's it. I'm also going to apply a little bit of eyeliner. This is the Revlon Color Stay, and this is actually in a brown color. What is this one called? Black Brown. It's really nice because it really opens up the eyes. So I'm just going to apply a little bit in my waterline, and I'm not going all the way, just the center of my eye. I'm kind of stopping. I'm going to finish off the eyes, but we're going to move back to the face. So I'm going to apply my second primer because, like I said, my skin's so dry. And this is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I really love this stuff. And I think I'm just going to keep you guys zoomed in. So, what I'm thinking for my, actually, before we do any foundation or concealer really, I'm going to go with my Marc Jacobs Do You drops. I'm going to apply some on the back of my hand here, and just take my sponge and apply some before we do anything. That way we get that like glow from within look. I like applying cream or liquid highlighter before like foundation because I love when it like peeks through. You guys know me and I don't wear a lot of foundation. I just don't like the feeling of my face feeling heavy, so I usually only use concealer on my entire face. It's just like a personal preference. Like I do wear foundation, but to events or if I have something to go to, like if I have family over and we have to like dress nice, so you know what I mean, like just special occasion I wear foundation. Most of the time I put concealer all over my face because I just love the natural look. I love it. So I was thinking of using this e.l.f. foundation that's been featured on my channel so many times, but I don't think it's my shade because I'm pale and all my foundation shades are for the summer. So that's also the problem that I'm having right now. So I think I'm going to go in just with my concealer. And this is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Madeline. This actually might be too light. So I'm going to test right here. No, that's good. It's a little orange. Weird. Okay. Anyways, we are going to apply some. I just love like fresh skin, the fresh skin look. I just love it. So I'm not applying too much. I'm just applying it into the areas where I really need it. And then I'll just like spread it all around afterwards. So I'm gonna go ahead and, I need to clean my beauty blender. But I'm actually gonna spray it just a little bit more. I did get it damp, but it's kind of not damp anymore. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that all out. So my camera's like at 1 bar of battery. So I decided to set my face and finish my eyes off camera. So I just set my face with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and then I used my Chanel mascara and my Ulta Beauty brow pencil, which I love a lot. And now we're gonna finish off the face. So I'm gonna apply some bronzer, and I'm gonna be using, this one is the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Omega Bronzer. I really love this. I think this is the coconut. Yeah, the Coconut Perfect Tan. Love this bronzer. I'm just going to take a really big fluffy brush before my camera dies on me. And bronze up the skin. I'm not going to do too much bronzer. I do have like a tiny tan going from the Cayman Islands because I was just there. And then for blush, I'm going to be going in with this Lancome blush in Rose Fresque. I think it's really pretty for the holiday season. It's very pigmented. I'm just going to sleep some on. It's like a nice dark rosy color, which I love. It's perfect for holiday. Gives you a nice flushed look. Going with my Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. Just like a little dollop. And finish off the look. So it's super natural. And then I'm going to... We're almost done. I'm going to go in with this Morphe lipstick in Whipped. there we go. We're complete. Finish off with some setting spray. I hope you guys really enjoyed this little makeup tutorial. Get ready with me for work. Don't worry, a lot of holiday looks will be coming your way soon, but I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Give me comments down below with video suggestions you want to see, maybe holiday videos. I'm always down. Follow my Instagram and all my socials. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.